To use the Hlookup function, we have the data includes the employee ID, name, designation, the salary of the employee, and we need to find the tax rate and to convert the tax rate into the amount. We have the tax slab and tax rate column as well. To find the tax rate, we use the Hlookup function, Hlookup, and bracket open, it says the lookup value, so we select the salary column or salary cell, comma, it says table array, so we select the whole table, comma, it says column, so the tax rate is in the second column, so I just write here 2, and last I will just write 1 for the criteria match. Before closing it, we again select the table array and press F4 to make it constant. Then I type enter, so we get the tax rate. Now need to drag it down to apply the same formula here. So we get the tax rate as per the salary of the employee. Now we need to convert the tax into the amount, so I select the cell and write equals to, and first I select the salary cell, multiply by the tax rate, and then enter, so I got the amount in tax. Now I need to drag it down to apply the same formula, so I get the whole tax in amount form. This is how you can get the values. So we can test our formula by changing the salary. Now for suppose if I change the salary from 16,000 to 48,000, so you can see the changes in the amount that we get after the tax.